Okay guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without verifying it with any phone number. So guys, for you to do this, all you just have to do is for you to watch this video right from this beginning until the very end. And also I will advise you, if you can download this video, just go ahead and click on the download button because you will need it when creating this Gmail account, because the steps are somehow trickish, so you need a guideline. And also, if you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment box down below and I will gladly reply to your comments. And guys, for you to create this Google account without verifying it with any phone number, all you just have to do is for you to go to your settings, your phone settings. Now let's go to my phone settings. Let me show you how you can create a Gmail account without verifying it with any phone number. So this is my settings. This settings is for you to go to your Google. You look for your Google. This is my, you click on this Google and you click on this all service and you scroll down, you look for this location accuracy. You click on location accuracy, you turn it off. It's off already, so you turn it off. You go back, you go to your phone number verification. You can see it down here. After the accuracy, after the location accuracy, you will see the phone number verification. You click on the phone number verification because this is why we are all here, because without you switching this off, that means definitely you will be verifying your Gmail account with phone number. But when you switch it off, definitely you are not going to what? You are not going to be using phone number to verify your Gmail account. And guys, mind you, it is not the right way to create a Gmail account. This is a disclaimer, because whatsoever thing that you're going to use this method I'm about to teach you for is on your own. It's just for educational purpose. So you click, you switch it off. So now you have to verify if the device that you are trying to switch off is yours. So I'll input my fingerprint right here, so you can see it has been switched off.